SOLIDWORKS Manage is a new solution that builds on the global file management capabilities of SOLIDWORKS PDM Professional with a unique set of advanced data management tools for project, process and item management, along with interactive dashboards and reporting. SOLIDWORKS Manage provides comprehensive, easy to use and implement capabilities that eliminate the need to use separate disconnected tools and stores of data. With the project management functionality in SOLIDWORKS Manage, organisations can plan each stage of their projects, assign resources and tasks, and attach required documentation to the projects. Projects are always live and up to date with activity by all concerned, not just the project manager, and when users complete their work, the project progress is automatically updated. Complex business processes such as ECR, ECN or new product approvals can be defined to company standards. With its drag and drop workflow designer, process states and decision points can be configured and user tasks, permissions and notifications can easily be assigned. SOLIDWORKS Manage also offers a powerful dashboard and flexible reporting functionality to provide instant access to critical business information. SOLIDWORKS Manage provides an easy upgrade path from SOLIDWORKS PDM Professional or Standard to a distributed data management system that can be utilised by many different groups within an organisation to deliver cohesive information to all areas of their business.